Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's how you motivate me to continue sharing these videos and all the other things that I share with you guys, all for free. If you want to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, robots, all those tools that you want for your trading, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then, yeah, so let's get into today's video. The video, by the way. Did I ask you to like the video? Okay, like the video again. Let's get into today's video. So, ignore this chat. I was showing you the trading strategy that I use, my simple trading strategy that I use. I think I'll link the video about this in the description box below. Then you can go there and watch the video just to see my simple way of trading. I'll probably do another video just further explaining this strategy that I use. But anyway, so in this video, we just want to talk about goal setting. Goal setting. How many of you want to be millionaires this year in trading? If you want to be a millionaire in trading this year, 2022, leave a comment in the comment section below. Write Amen. You receive it, and you receive it. You receive it. I receive your millions this year. On a serious note, though, I do wish you all the best in 2022. It's probably not going to mean much to you, but I truly, genuinely wish you a lot of money in your trading, in your business, in everything that you do this year in 2022. Okay, let's get back to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to briefly talk about goal setting. We are just talking about goal setting. So the mistake that I usually see, it's not exactly a mistake, but it's something that I always see why some traders fail in the market, or why some people actually fail with their lives broadly. It's where it comes to setting goals. Where it comes to setting your goals, this is the end of January, and you should probably have your 2022 resolutions or plans, or desires, or dreams, or ambitions, or goals written down somewhere. What are you trying to achieve this year? Because everyone has the same 12 months. Trust me, we all have the same 12 months. Nobody has a year that is 13 months long, or 15 months long, or 20 months long. We all have the same 12-month long year. We all have 24 hours a day. We all have 24 hours a day. Nobody has 30 hours a day. Nobody has an extra hours. Nobody. So it depends. What separates you from the next person is just basically how better prepared you are for your 24 hours, and how prepared is the next person. Goals. Goals. It's going to depend on how you use your time, how you plan out your trading, your business, your family, your everything around your life. Because, like I said, of course, some people probably have probably. Sorry, I am trying to respond to this person just sent a message. Let's get back to the video. Sorry about that. Uh, it's going to depend on how better prepared you are. That's only the thing that's going to separate you from the next person. That's what's going to separate you from the next trader. That's what's going to separate you from the next trader. how better prepared you are, how hungrier you are for this. This is what's going to separate you from the next guy. So, in terms of goal setting, most people start their year and they just go along with the year, whatever it takes them. People want to be millionaires, but people have got no plan on how to get there. That's odd. Unless probably you plan to do it by robbing a bank, or you plan, but it's still a plan. You still need to plan how you're going to go past the guards, how you're going to crack the safe, and how you're going to do all those other things. How you're going to get away from the police. You still need a plan. Even if you think you're going to rob a bank, you still need a plan. So the same thing with your trading, with your finances. You are going to need to make a plan. If you're going to want to make $1 million in trading, you certainly need a plan of how you are going to get there. How are you going to get there? The year has 12 months. The first thing probably is just to break down that goal of $1 million by the 31st of December 2022, and to break it down into the 12 months of the year. So I don't have my calculator here. Let's see if I have a calculator here. Calculator, calendar. Calendar still applies to what we are talking about. Calculator. So basically, you want to make $1 million this year, and the year has got 12 months. Now you're breaking down your goal. Now you are starting to take steps towards fulfilling that goal. Then obviously you need to divide this 1 million by 12 months, so that you start having what, monthly targets for your trading, which turns out to be around 83,333 point, let's just call it, basically around 83,334. So now you know, end of January you should have this amount. End of February you need to have this amount. End of March you need to make this amount in your trading if you want to make $1 million by December. Now you also then can further break it down to your daily targets. This amount, we know in a given month, because we only trade 5 days a week, and there are only 4 weeks usually in a month. Technically, you are probably going to be trading for 20 hours a month, 20 days, not 20 hours. Hey, wow, 20 days a month. So now we can further break this amount down to daily targets. How much do you need to make on a given day in order to make $1 million in trading at the end of the year? Certainly, we divide it by 20 days, the 20 trading days in a month, which comes down to around about 4.2, $4,200. $4,200 is your daily target. You see how you are breaking down these goals. So you need $4,200 each day of your trading. Every trading day, you need to make $4,200, so that at the end of the year, you have $1 million from trading. Now, there are going to be bad days, there are going to be good days, there are going to be stories on some days. So, but you know the target that you need to have. You're going to sometimes take losses, sometimes you're going to make more profit, But generally, what this means is everything, after considering everything, you need to average. Whether you this week you had a bad week or next week you had a most spectacular week, but when you average your your trading profits, it needs to come down to 4.2 every day, so that at the end of the end of the year, you actually become a millionaire from trading. That's how you break down your goals. You are basically mapping out where you want to go. Maybe $1 million is too much. Maybe you're just aiming for 10,000. Probably this then comes to, if it's 10,000, probably this then comes to $42. Probably need to make $42 a year. If your goal is 100,000, probably this comes to 416. You need to every day $416. That's what you need in order to make $100,000 at the end of the year. If it's 10,000, probably $41. You just need to make $41 every day, which is probably doable. Which is probably doable. It's just going to depend on the goal that you have. But what's important is to start with a goal. What are you really aiming for with your trading? You are not just trading randomly. That's why it's not taking you anywhere. You need to have a goal with it. Are you trying to become a millionaire? Are you trying to become a billionaire in trading? Uh, so whatever you're trying to whatever figure, whatever amount that you're trying to make this year, you can easily break it down to your daily targets. Then you can actually track your progress. Now you can track your progress. Am I still on the way to be making that million, or have I fallen behind? Or am I actually making so much more progress? Maybe you are actually making 5,000 every day. So you see that at the end of the year, you are guaranteed to be more than a millionaire if you are over overdoing this. If you are reaching this goal, you are going past this goal for of 4,200 a day, and you are making 5,000, 6,000, $10,000 a day, then certainly you are no longer talking about $1 million. You are talking about more. If then you will see that you are only making $2,000 a day, then obviously you need to do something, because you are falling short of making that $1 million at the end of the year. So either you readjust your goal, or you actually take steps to bring you up to 4,200. That's how you do it. That's how you see people reaching their goals. Are you trying to buy a car from trading at the end of the year? How much is it? You can easily also break it down the same way. Then you realize how much you need to be making each and every day in order to buy that Mercedes AMG or whatever, or BMW M4, M3, whatever. Know the amount of the car, or if it's a house. What house are you trying to buy? What's the amount that you need to buy that house? Then you break it down up to daily targets. Then you can see that today I need to make so much in order to be able to buy that house by the end of the year. In order to buy that house by the end of the year, I need to be making so much. And when you have that daily target, and when you fall short of it, you know you need to pull up your socks. When you are actually surpassing that target, then you know you are actually in a better space. You are guaranteed of buying that house this year. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Like this video if it helped you, or it opened your eyes in any way. Share the links to these videos with your friends. Maybe they might also get some help. If you have questions, comments, thoughts, I'll leave them in the comment section below. I enjoy reading your comments. Until next time, bye.